Here we're going to fill in missing terms of a given sequence. So here we have 1 space space 13 17 space. The only clue we have to go on is that a difference here is 4. So let's see if that works. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 gives us 9. 9 plus 4 is 13, so that works. 13 add 4 is 17. 17 add 4 would give us 21. We want to do the same thing here, and the only clue we have is just here, with a difference of 6. So 2 add 6 is 8. 8 add 6 is 14, so that seems to work. 20 add 6 is 26. 26 add 6 is 32. Now this one's a difficult one. We've got 2, 7, 17, gap gap 157. So if we look here, the difference is 5, but here the difference is 10. So the difference isn't the same every time, so we can't just use that. So we're going to have to try something different. Now one thing we might do is think to ourselves, well, that went up by 5, that went up by 10. What about if the next one goes up by 15? So 17 add 15 is 32. And then the next one would go up by 20, so that would be 52, and then the next one goes up by 25, and that doesn't work because that doesn't give us 157. So we need to try something else. Now what I've spotted here is if I take 2 and times it by 2 and then add 3, I get 7. If I take 7, multiply it by 2 and add 3, that's 14 add 3 is 17. So that works. So let's give that a go. 17 times 2 add 3, so that's 34 add 3 is 37. 37 times 2 add 3, so we might need a calculator for some of these. 37 times 2 and not subtract, but add 3 gives us 77. And then see if that works with the 157 here. So 77 times 2 add 3. So it's the last answer. So times the last answer by 2 and add 3. And that does give us 157. So that's what works. So we can see the terms that are missing are this one and this one. So 37 and 77.